Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Venice token. Ticker symbol is VVV. Now this is a huge project, very popular. Just got listed on a ton of central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on the Venice token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain, ticker symbol VVV. Right now it's trending number 2 in the Base section on Dex Screener, right behind the very popular Ski Cat token. So yeah, just came out 19 hours, 33 minutes ago on Uniswap. That's when the pair was created. So it says private, uncensored AI, artificial intelligence. And their webpage here, if you're looking for that, is Venice.ai. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see it's a gold verified check mark at Ask Venice. Joined March 2024. They have 33,700 Twitter followers, 593 tweets. So this token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings today. 2 of them being Mexc Global and another one CoinEx Global. So it's available on either one of those. You can also trade futures on Mexc right now. That's also available. So it says the world's leading platform for private and uncensored artificial intelligence. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc or CoinEx Global account, I do have an Mexc and CoinEx Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc or CoinEx Global referral code in the description box down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search VVV, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, and then if you wanted to, you could trade futures on Mexc. I'm not sure if futures are available yet on CoinEx. They could be though as well. So it says Venice is now on Base. We're building an essential infrastructure for AI agents, devs, and third-party apps. Private, uncensored inference at zero marginal cost through our API. Powered by open source models and decentralized inference, our API enables agents to operate without surveillance or content restrictions. And so they have another page here, Venice.ai/API dash beta, because it is in the beta version right now for this project. Now, if you go to their webpage, it says Ask Anything. So you could punch in anything you want into the search bar or chat bar, whatever you want to call it there, for Venice. And then at the top of the page also, they have all sorts of other links as well. Now, if you're looking for the chart, you can check out Dex Screener or Dex Tools, and you can also find this token on Basescan. So it says explore uncensored AI. Chat privately with artificial intelligence. Ask Venice anything. Enter a prompt to help you research, brainstorm ideas, or write, and you can start a chat. Create stunning images. Type a description of your image and use the AI enhancement feature to improve your prompt. Analyze documents. Leverage the latest models to summarize, analyze, and accelerate document review. The AI text generator. Ask Venice anything privately. Brainstorm, summarize documents, research, write, and edit your text in seconds. And uncensored AI chat models. Venice never sees or stores your prompts or responses. It says try AI without an account. And it shows examples of what people have asked. And it says the AI image generator. You can create detailed, uncensored AI images. Turn your creative thoughts into visuals instantly with leading AI image models. Play with 70+ style templates and a magic prompt enhancer. It shows some different images that they've created, from lifelike pictures to cartoons to little game things to all sorts of stuff here. They also have the AI code generator. Write and debug code with AI. Save time by generating code in seconds. Upload your code file and ask Venice to debug it for you. It says write a code. Uncensored AI chat with your privacy in mind. Unlike other leading AI platforms, Venice provides a private and uncensored AI experience with your prompts and data only stored on your device, never on our servers. Explore ideas freely. And then they have they have the free account that you could use, $0, and it tells you what you get for that. Or you can upgrade it to a pro account, it says, for $18 a month, and you get more features. So it says unrestricted year machine intelligence, and you can have a yearly or monthly subscription there. Explore open intelligence. Venice is a private and uncensored alternative to the popular AI apps. Why is an alternative needed? Because those apps violate your privacy and censor the AI responses. Venice utilizes leading open source AI technology to deliver uncensored, unbiased machine learning, and we do it all while preserving your privacy. At the bottom of their webpage, they have X, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Discord, etc., and then all sorts of other links: chat, blog, media, API, frequently asked questions, pricing, terms of service, etc. Check it all out, Venice.ai. You can find this token newly listed as of today on CoinEx Global and Mexc Global. You can trade futures on Mexc as well, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Also, today I just opened a brand new Twitter account for this channel, so if you want to be one of the first people to subscribe to my brand new Twitter account, the X link is in the description box down there, and so I will be making crypto posts and things like that on there, so check that out. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.